Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Yes, I am Bill and we are on a Friday, March 17th, 2017. Traders, it is currently 8:33 a.m. in Bangkok, Thailand, and that would be 21:33 on Wall Street on a Thursday night. Traders, like I said, great to be with you. Got a little bit to talk about today. Let's get to it here. I just lost my page there. Okay, it's back. All right. Yeah, let's see what we got here, my friends. Just a little unorganized here at the moment. All right, so let's see what happened yesterday. We looked at this dollar yen, and this trade this is the markets this week. Look at this, just absolutely sideways, right? Nothing going on. There was some trades yesterday, but they're like 10, 15 pips, and then they come back, and like nothing like really solid. And I think we're going to see that probably throughout today and probably into Monday, and we'll get back to regularity on Tuesday. We should get back in and start seeing some movement in the markets again. I think the dollar's become bullish again, folks. The Fed did their rate hike, yada, yada, yada. You can see, this is what the result of that. And but look at these candles, just absolutely nothing. Never even got close to giving us an entry. Not even the 23.6. Didn't even give us a chance there. And sure didn't get up to the 50% Fibonacci level that we were looking for, or the 38.2. And there was just no trade here. This was just, this is discipline, right? Just stay away from this. This is a mess right here. Now, it broke out of the support zone here, the take profit zone. But man, the next candle's blue, and boom, there she goes back up again, just ranged and sideways. So it's still on the table. I'm not taking it off the table because I'm pro the yens, but I'm not really ready to jump into anything right at the moment on that one. All right, so let's head on over here. Let's take a look at what is happening today. What did we have for yesterday? Didn't we have Fed manufacturing index came out good, 32.8 versus 30. Initial jobless claims came out at 241, which isn't good. They expected 240. Not a big deal there. I don't see anything bad there. Building permits were down. There wasn't such hot news out of the U.S. yesterday. Continuous jobless claims were good. Housing starts was good. So that's a good sign, right? So let's take a look here. And why do I not have what I want? Let's see. Let's take a look for today and see what's going on. To be honest with you, traders, I take it real easy today. I'm not really keen to jumping in these trades at the moment, so I cannot get my calendar is not coming up here. Let's see if this does it. No, there we go. All right, so we had New Zealand had business PMI today. Came out good at 55.2. No forecast. Now, when they don't put a forecast on there, that's not good because you don't get a read on how they're going to react. So, they expect a number, then they don't put a forecast on that. It's not good for us, right? So what do we got today? Basically, nothing. Nothing in euro. We got trade balance out of the euro today, and that is about it. We got industrial production month-on-month out of the United States. Really slow day today. Michigan consumer sentiment and Michigan consumer expectations are today. And that's it, folks. Weekend's over. Nothing going on over the weekend, so we don't have to worry about that. And like I said, it's going to be a slow, easy day today. Let's take a look at my trade plan for today, and that was the pound yen. Looking at the pound yen. Now, where is the dollar index is key today, right? So the dollar index is up 0.01%. It's actually at 100.10. We're staying above the 100 mark, but we need to get back up to that 101, right? We got to get back up there, and I think that's going to happen. It just take a little bit of time. I think by Tuesday or Wednesday next week, we should be back to where we were before the Fed news came out. NASDAQ closed in the green. Dow closed in the red. DAX closed in the green. Nikkei 225 is currently in the red, negative 0.35%. All right, let's take a look at our pound yen trade here. Different trade today. This is a trend line break. So what I'm looking for here is we're looking for this to break this trend line. We're going to get in at 139.75, somewhere in that area. And we're going to take this to the downside. You can see the arrow here. And we'll take this to the downside. This is only a 50 pip trade, my friends. It's not a big trade, but if we can get 35 or 40 pips on a Friday, I'm okay with that. And, turn the computers off. We'll see you on Monday, right? I just think that's a smart move, right? Why did I pick the pound yen? Because I'm staying away from the dollar pairs. I don't want to be in any dollar pairs whatsoever. We don't want to see the dollar pairs. Stay away from them. So this looks, you know, reasonable. Nice trend line. This is valid trend line, three touch trend line. And I was looking at this earlier and I said, you know what, let's just do this. And let's put our trade plan together here. It's got to break the trend line, close below the trend line. Listen, if it's above 139.75, don't worry about it. As long as the candlestick closes below the trend line, just, you can get in it, right? Where's your stop going to go? 140.00, right? 140.00 is your stop because you know it's going to bounce from that. It's going to head back down. So 140.06 or 05, that's plenty for your stop. It's either going to work or not. We're at resistance, folks. We can see on the chart we're at resistance. There's no reason for this not to give us our downside momentum. So that's what we're doing today on the pound yen. And that's what's happening, my friends. Listen, I think what we're going to do now is every Friday, we'll start next Friday because today's Friday, of course, but starting next Friday, Friday is going to be options day. So on Friday, I will do a video on my options positions, what I'm seeing, what I'm looking at, and we'll do options on Fridays. So every Friday, look for options, and we'll do that on Friday. Traders, great to be with you on a Friday. You know, I'm not telling you not to trade because I don't think that's a good thing. If you got an opportunity, take it. But just be alert today on a Friday after the Fed, sideways price action, nothing really moving around. Just be alert today, okay? Traders, have a great weekend, and we will catch you on Monday. Take care, traders, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.